This is Nora from Pandaily, and today we're here for the launch of the new Honor phone, the Honor Magic4 Pro. Ta-da! It comes with a 50 megapixel main camera, a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 64 megapixel periscope telephoto lens. And it's IMAX enhanced, so I bet it can take some pretty decent photos. It's a 6.81-inch quad curved display, and it supports HDR10 Plus and has a 120 Hz refresh rate for smoother video. It also has a 360 Hz touch sampling rate, making it extra responsive and good for gaming. Honor has gone for a symmetrical design. It comes in 4 colors: black, white, cyan, and interestingly, orange vegan leather. Now that's something new. And this gorgeous flagship price starts at 1,099 euros. A little steep in my opinion, but what can you say? It has a lot of good features. So what do you think? Is the new Honor phone your cup of tea? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. I'm Nora from Pandaily. It's been an honor.